How is it going, guys? It's Kevin. I'm back. I'm super sorry it's taking me this long to make another video. I've been working on something pretty crazy and I can't wait to share it with you guys very soon. But this video, because it's taken so long, I want to make sure that I would share strategies that anyone can use, literally at any level, whether you are just starting out with e-commerce or if you are very advanced. You implement these 3 effective strategies that I've spent a lot of money testing, and it is guaranteed to boost the performance of your business. So I hope you're super excited to learn. I've done a lot of talking. Let's head to the office and get rumbling.
One of the biggest values left on the table by e-commerce entrepreneurs, especially beginners, is not capitalizing on warm traffic, okay? Especially individuals that have already gone through the checkout process, put in their personal information, and for whatever reason decided not to check out. This is what we call an abandoned cart. If you didn't know this, Shopify is already automatically sending out emails in order to recover these abandoned carts, right? It's a customer that's put in their email, their phone number, and for whatever reason just didn't complete the purchase. And to ignore this audience, to just give up on them, or to just use some generic template made by Shopify, you are losing a lot of money in the form of opportunity cost. So how are we going to fix it? We are going to be text messaging these people. Everyone opens text messages. No one really wants to open email. Your email might end up in spam. You have no idea what happens, but if they get that bing on their phone, they're going to really listen. All right. So this is an app called SMS Bump, and you just go to smsbump.com, set it up for your Shopify. Under platforms, you click Shopify. I'm going to take you through the setup. I'm going to show you the results that my text messaging strategy for abandoned carts has generated me. Here we are in the SMS Bump platform for one of my stores, and keep in mind, this is during Chinese New Year and coronavirus, so we haven't been running anything now for close to a month. So all of our traffic has been through basically organics and also the very limited amount of advertising budget that we have been running to get rid of our US inventory in our 3PL. So you can see we've generated $4,500 in revenue for a 19,000% return on investment, right? You talk about ROAS. This is the best ROAS I've ever heard of, right? We've spent $23 in order to send these text messages out, and we were able to generate 58 orders that we otherwise wouldn't have had. Just value left on the table, right? This is $4,500 that is now in my bank account that I wouldn't have generated otherwise. And I'm going to show you the exact text message that I've been sending these customers. So once traffic explodes, you can bet this ROI is going to stay the same, but the results in terms of volume and money generated is only going to go up. So here we are. You can see this is just one of the text messages that's been sent. This one was sent on February 9th, 2020. All right. You can see, right? Spent 39 cents, all right, to send these text messages and recovered 2 orders. And this is the text message that I want you to start using. And I've done so much testing in order to get to this right answer. I'm going to give it to you for free. All right. So we're saying hello, customer's name. It's Reggie. And this name, Reggie, right? Basically, we pick a name based on the gender and the demographic of the business that we are operating. So this store is all centered around male apparel. So I picked a male name. It's Reggie at my business's name. Thanks for your interest in our startup business, okay? All of your businesses are startups as well, okay? People want to support startups. People want to support small businesses. All of our customers enjoy 24/7 customer support, free exchanges, and hassle-free returns. I'm reminding the customer, this is what you're going to experience. If you abandon cart, it's probably because you were sketched out in the last minute, all right? And this is that reassurance. We're playing some psychological games here. Here's something special from my manager, okay? Because it's from Reggie's manager, it has to be legit, all right? It's not just some random offer, okay? It's from upper level management. Use code Reggie10 for 10% off if you purchase within 24 hours. Reggie10 makes this seem way more personalized because the name of the employee that's sending out this text message is Reggie, and there's that urgency. You have to use this code in the next 24 hours or it won't work. find your order here, and it links them to the order that they were basically abandoning. And then also there's that classic opt-out message that's required in terms of just the legal regulations around texting. So that's it. Structure a text for your business. Remember to pick a name that represents the demographic, the gender of the people you're targeting. Reassure them that you're not a scam. Give them some sort of customer service, free shipping, logistics reassurance. Give them a discount code that comes from management, and also make it a personalized discount code based on the name that you've picked. And then give them that sense of urgency for 24 hours and watch your sales go up. We're all about warm traffic today, and strategy number 2 is also about capitalizing on the warmest traffic possible, and that's individuals that have already purchased from your business, okay? These individuals have already trusted your business enough to give you their hard-earned cash. There is no warmer audience, but something that a lot of e-commerce entrepreneurs absolutely ignore is remarketing to people that have already purchased from your business. Think about it. You've already paid the cost of acquiring them, all right? The marketing spend is already sunk. They've already purchased from your business. Even if you can only make $1 on top of the order, that's $1 you would have made that you never would have earned anyways, all right? So what you can do now is get really, really aggressive and crazy in giving away discounts. Normally, let's say you make $40 off of a particular product that you sell. You can choose to make $10 this time. Give them an offer that they simply can't refuse. And you know what type of email has an over 100% open rate? Yup. It's the order confirmation email, all right? Every single customer ever wants that email because they want to see when their order is going to come. They want to see what their tracking number is, right? They want that confirmation that they're not going to get scammed. Everyone opens that email, and it's very, very valuable real estate to be marketing on, all right? So we're going to be downloading this app called Supercharge Store Emails by Spently from the Shopify App Store. There's a bunch of other email services out there. I picked this one because it's cheap and easy to use, especially if you're just starting out. And again, this is all about that order confirmation email. Now let's take a look at what this strategy has done for one of my stores. Okay, you can see $130,000 in sales generated by Spently, okay? And look at this open rate, 345%. That means people are opening their confirmation emails over and over again, not just even once, okay? Unique open rate, 80%. 80% of individuals that have bought from my business have opened this email. Look at that click-through rate, 117%, all right? Because they want to see their order confirmation. We've sent 45,000 emails and generated $130,000 in sales. This $130,000 in sales literally is just straight cash into my bank account that I otherwise wouldn't have had. So what's the hack, right? What's the email I'm sending these people? Well, remember, it's a part of your order confirmation email. So Spently lets you adjust what that email looks like. So you don't have to use the default version in Shopify, and you're just gonna put one simple image above that order confirmation, and I've made one just for you. This is on a home goods store that I run, and you can see, use code, come up with a code, give them a crazy offer. For this store, it was $30 off if they spent more than $55. It could be a flat percentage. It could be a item, your best seller, just at a really, really massive discount, okay? Must be used within 24 hours of purchase, only one use per customer. Give them that urgency. Give them that exclusivity, and then watch money just come in rolling that you otherwise wouldn't have captured. And if you don't know how to make an image like this, make sure you watch the Photoshop lessons that I've already given on this channel, okay? That is enough of a skill set in order to make an image like this. This was just the AliExpress product photo, all right? And then we just some photoshopping to elongate the image, and bam, put the text on top. Super, super easy. Anyone should be able to figure this out. All right, strategy number 3. This one I never thought I would be using before I tested it out. I thought this would be way too scammy. It's Wheelio, okay? It's that wheel spinning app that gives a chance for a customer to win a discount and product no matter how you want to structure it. And I thought no way any customer decides to spin the wheel. But guess what? In this space, it's all all about data-driven decisions, not emotional-driven decisions. So you just want to go into Wheelio on Shopify App Store. If you've never heard of it, right, and you download it, it's only $14 a month. And let me tell you, it really pays for itself. Not only does this app have a chance to boost your conversion rate on the website, remember, people that are buying from dropshipping businesses, especially if you're already running a sale, they're impulse buyers. They like this type of thing. On top of the boost in conversion rate, it also allows you to collect emails, all right? And those emails, you're gonna save that up and blast it on holidays with your favorite email app, all right? So I'm gonna go into Wheelio just to show you how powerful it is. This is Wheelio on one of my stores, and let's take a look at these stats, okay? This Wheelio has collected over 520,000 emails. All right, you saw my crazy Black Friday video. I said email marketing was a big part of it. Where do you think I collect those emails from? It's from this app. And then you can see the conversion rate is 16%. That means 16% of individuals decided to spin that wheel. So I thought that this was way too scammy. No way it works. And in fact, it's boosted profitability for my business, even if we don't even think about emails. And if we factor emails as well, then it's made me so much money. It is probably one of the best apps I've installed on my business from the perspective of ROI. How do we set up the Wheelio? Here it is. I'm giving away all my secrets. All right, you can see I have a automatic code set for 15% off, and 100% of people are going to be winning this, okay? They might spin thinking they can win some of these other discounts, but nope, they're always going to win 15% off, and then I give them that coupon code. I set this thing to expire for 30 minutes, so it's in that browsing session that they feel this sense of urgency in order to get this discount. You just got to design the Wheelio, put your logo in there, make sure the colors don't look scammy, and you're going to have some awesome results. Test the impact it has on conversion rate on your business, and even if it just doesn't change your conversion rate at all, it's a great situation because you're going to be collecting thousands and thousands of emails that you can leverage through email marketing. These are 3 strategies that absolutely crushed it for me. I want you to go in there right now into your business and incorporate all 3, all right? This is no excuses. You got to do it today, all right? You are sleeping while other people are getting ahead. Hope you enjoy the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it. A lot of people think I'm crazy for putting this content out there for free. So make sure you press like and subscribe, share it with your friends. I'm on a mission to transform e-commerce education, and I can't do it without you. You can follow my journey at Kevin Zhang Official on Instagram. DM me and I promise I'll respond to every single DM, and join the discussion in my private Facebook group, Generation E. I promise that no question will go unanswered. See you in the next video.